Hi everyone, this is Sandy Creative the Heart, and I'm back to share my La La Land Crafts virtual retreat. So this retreat was in the end of September 2022, and it took me a little while to make the video because I was still finishing projects, because they're all pretty intense projects. So the first, I think this is the first day projects, I think. Okay, so we did get in our kit like everything to make the projects. So if we did not get the actual like stamp set or die, they had it cut out for us. And so every single project, almost everything was cut out. Some things we had to score. We got a paper pack, 2 paper packs actually, like a fall paper pack and a Christmas paper pack that we used for the entire retreat. We have a lot of it left over so that we could, cut it out. So there was very minimal amounts of scoring and cutting, but almost everything was cut out for us, or we got the product. So in our kit, we got, I think I had everything with me, but I know that I've got one clear stamp set with these cute ostriches. We got, let's see, we got a grateful die, which will be in day 2. Let's see, what else did we get? I think we got the bell die. I can't remember. I feel like we did. And we got 2 rubber Dark Marcy stamp sets. So we didn't get a ton in terms of like products, in terms of the actual stamp sets, but we did get a lot in actual like projects. Everything is cut out, so it's pretty amazing. And it took a little while because all of the projects are fairly involved. So I'm going to go ahead and show you. These are, I don't know what order I did them in, because I actually only did day 3 in person. The rest of it I watched the videos for. So this is, I think it's a 6x6 card. So there's a lot of La La Land Crafts newer product on here, like their Merry Christmas die, which comes with also the shadow, their poinsettia die, which is new, and the bells. So we made this card, and it like opens. So, right? Isn't that cool? So we made that, and then we made a mixed media like boards, like a, I don't know what this is, almost like a wood piece, like, I don't know what they call that, like press board, like a press board, and then these are like coaster sized boards, and we did some mixed media on here. So we used some sprays, we used, I think, did we get a stencil? We might have got a stencil also. I can't remember now. Or not, I don't know. But we did a little bit of stenciling with some paste. And all these other elements that you see on here were in a little pack for us, all ready to go. So we got a whole bunch of stamped images that we could then just cut out. And then all these other images and pieces that you see here were given to us, already cut out, die cut, ready to go. All we needed to do was put everything together. So there was this. And then we made a couple of, actually 3 boxes in this one. So there's this box right here, which uses a couple of new products, which is like this berry stem thing. This stamp set, which we did not get, but I actually ended up buying because I think it's adorable. And this little letter die also is new, but I don't know if I ordered it. I might not have ordered it, but we made this cute box. So that was fun. And then we made this box. So this one is like an acetate box, and it uses a couple of newer products. The poinsettia dies done in blue, which I really like. It's pretty. I think it needs like a little gem in here. I don't know if I had gems in there. Can't even remember. Okay, so we did that. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 5. The other thing that we made is this house box. So it has this platform, and I don't know if this stuff, I hope it's going to stay. But here is the stamp set that we did get, which is this cute ostrich. And then they had in their sort of what they call their secret shop, the dies. So I did end up buying the die for it, and I was able to cut this out instead of having to fussy cut it because I was late to making this box. So all the pieces were given to us. I think we had some scoring that we had to do, and some minor cutting, but for the most part, I mean, everything was sort of done for us. And then the lid, see, it's like really tall, comes off, and then you've got this box. So it's pretty cool. So that was like the first day's projects in no particular order, because so this was one of the projects I had left to do. I had this one left to do, and then a couple of day 2 projects that were a little more time consuming. So I will show you guys those in the next video.